Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And we talked yesterday about the Intel drivers that were released on June the 30th, and that fix a lot of connectivity issues that people have been having on Bluetooth and also on Wi Fi and increased performance. Now, Microsoft and Intel both recommend that these Intel drivers be installed, especially if you've got the latest preview update, because it goes hand in hand. We talked about how Microsoft has tweaked the system and is giving us that low latency speed boost on CPUs. And apparently, these new drivers also improve the performance of that new feature. So it's not just bug fixes and fixing connectivity issues, but apparently, it also, with the low latency profile, helps everything work smoother and faster, and apparently improves speed even on Wi Fi, and of course, like I said, connectivity issues on Bluetooth. So I will actually install them and try them out. I shared the link yesterday. I will share the links again for both drivers if you want to try them out. I've seen some people talk about the fact that the drivers seem to didn't install correctly on some of their machines. So, anyways, I will install them on my machine, and if there's any issues or anything, I'll come back with any info on it. But I will surely install the Bluetooth. Particularly, I do have a little bit of Bluetooth problems on this machine with a couple of devices, so maybe that will fix the problem. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.